Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. To check the TLS, Transport Layer Security, version on a Windows Server 2022, you can use several methods, including PowerShell, Registry Editor, and Network Tools. Below is a detailed tutorial explaining how to check the TLS version using PowerShell, along with relevant code examples. Method 1. Using PowerShell. PowerShell is a powerful scripting language and command line shell that allows you to manage Windows environments. You can check the supported TLS versions by querying the registry or by testing the TLS version using .NET classes. Step 1. Open PowerShell. 1. Press Windows plus X or right-click the Start button. 2. Select Windows Terminal, Admin, or Windows PowerShell, Admin. Step 2. Check supported TLS versions via registry. You can query the registry to see which TLS versions are enabled on your server. The relevant registry keys are located at hklm/software/microsoft/.net framework v4.0.30319 hklm/system/current control set/control/security providers/channel/protocols/. Here's a PowerShell command to check the registry for enabled TLS protocols. PowerShell. Check for TLS 1.0. Get item property path hklm/system/current control set/control/security providers/channel/protocols/TLS 1.0 / client. Select object property enabled, disabled. Check for TLS 1.1. Get item property path hklm/system/current control set/control/security providers/channel/protocols/TLS 1.1 / client. Select object property enabled, disabled. Check for TLS 1.2. Get item property path hklm/system/current control set/control/security providers/channel/protocols/TLS 1.2 / client. Select object property enabled, disabled. Step 3. Check TLS version using .NET classes. You can also create a simple PowerShell script that attempts to establish a connection using a specific TLS version. This method tests if the server supports a particular TLS version. Here's a PowerShell code snippet to check if TLS 1.2 is supported. PowerShell. Load the .NET assembly for TLS. Add type at. Using system.net. Using system.security.authentication. Public class TLS check. Public static bool check TLS 12. Service point manager. Security protocol equals security protocol type. TLS 12. Try. HTTP web request equals HTTP web request create https://www.google.com. Request.timeout equals 5000 / set timeout to 5 seconds. Using HTTP web response equals HTTP web response request.get response. Return response.status code equals HTTP status code.ok. Catch. Return false. At. Call the method to check TLS 1.2 support. If TLS check TLS 12. Right host TLS 1.2 is supported. Else. Right host TLS 1.2 is not supported. Method 2, using network tools. You can also use network tools like OpenSSL or Nmap to test the TLS versions supported by your server. This method requires that you have these tools installed. Example using OpenSSL. 1. Install OpenSSL if it's not already installed. 2. Open a command prompt and run the following command. Bash open/s_client connect your server address 443 TLS1. Open/s_client connect your server address 443 TLS1_1. Open/s_client connect your server address 443 TLS1_2. This will attempt to connect using the specified TLS version. If the connection is successful, it means that version is supported. Conclusion: by using PowerShell commands and optionally network tools, you can effectively check which TLS versions are enabled and supported on your Windows Server 2022. Regularly checking and updating your TLS settings is crucial for maintaining security and compliance in your environment.